Hello everyone, so in this video we're going to be reviewing Clickwages. So if you don't know what this website is, it is basically a site wherein you can do tasks for money. So for example, you complete a survey or you share something or view something, you can earn money. So let's see if this is actually legit. So opened up here a page on Quora and somebody asked, are Clickwages legitimate and payable? So some guy said Clickwages, sometimes referred as ClickClick or Clickwages Buzz, is widely considered a scam. The platform promotes itself as a way to earn money by completing simple tasks like surveys, watching videos, and blah blah blah, with enticing promises of a $25 sign-up bonus. However, several red flags can cast serious doubt on its legitimacy. So Clickwages, where individuals are paid for online activities like clicking ads or completing small tasks, can be legitimate if offered by the reputable platforms. However, the Clickwages itself, many schemes are scams. So offering little to no pay. Always research the platform's credibility and payment history before participating. So some user also said that it is sketchy. Some users said that it is legitimate, but you need to check whether the platform you are going to is well reputable or not. So it can be legit if you are taken to the right platform, but most of the platforms that they refer you to are scams. So yeah, you should do proceed with caution and do it wisely, since you may waste your time doing the stuff they want you to do, and you're actually getting nothing out of it. So yeah, that is it. That is my review on Clickwages. So if you found this video helpful, please consider liking and subscribing.